What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on one of the Mustangs, and they both need oil changes. Like, I mean, I've been gone for so long, the oil in there is bad. The warning light came on the Mustang, and it's telling me it really needs it. So I need to go pick up an oil drain pan from a local auto parts store, and then yeah, we'll get after it. All right, I'll be right back. Alright, so I had to go pick up one of these. It's just an oil drain pan. I really like these things. I had an old one and it got thrown away because, I mean, plastic, Arizona, nothing really lasts forever in this state because the sun will just destroy it. So we got a new one, so I'm just gonna leave that right there. I'm gonna get the Mustang lined up and we're gonna start draining it because 8.3 quarts is a lot of oil. This thing holds 8.3 quarts of oil. This thing holds 8.3 quarts of oil. That's clearly it's a big motor, V8, but I mean that's a lot. Like, I don't even know if this thing holds 8.3 quarts of oil. I'll be honest, I don't know. 331 stroker, have no idea. But I should probably figure that out since I have owned this car since I was 15. That's probably something I should probably look into that. But we're working on this car today, so I'm gonna get everything situated and we're gonna get it up in the air and drain it out because nobody likes old dinosaurs in their car. All right, let's get moving. And on a side note, if you ever find yourself in Arizona, go to Dutch Bros, okay? I'm completely addicted to this and Press Coffee. I'm not sponsored by any of the products or things I talk about today, but I really do love this. And the people there are great. Like, they're just super friendly. It's like, you just feel good leaving. And then you also have coffee, so you feel twice as good. All right, back to the car. I almost forgot the best part about firing this thing up. Cold start. Alright, we made it on there and didn't kill anyone, so, or send the car flying into the house. Oh boy. Alright, let me show you what we're working with. This is my 5-liter Coyote motor. So it's pretty much stock. There's a couple modifications like we talked about in the previous video, but we are going to be changing the oil. So first things first. Yeah. Oh yeah. All right, so first step done. Sweet. All right, so for the sake of noise, all right, let's see here. So we got the Valvoline 5W20 full synthetic advanced. Okay, so I do like Valvoline. I'm not sponsored by the product like we said before, but it's a good quality product. I use it in clearly a lot of vehicles like 67, my brother's Tacoma. It's just good quality stuff. And we got a Motorcraft, which is a Ford product, oil filter. It's what it calls for. I'm not pushing like crazy horsepower. Like, we don't need K&N. I don't think it really matters. I mean, it filters a filter. There are plenty of other filters you can use, like these 2 spare ones that were from my old 289. Don't know what I'm gonna do with those, but gloves, oil, and then we have napkins. Ah, yeah, I should probably put this stuff away. I got these for this. So we're just gonna get everything situated, and then I'll be right back with you guys. Whoop! Alright guys, come here. Alright, let's take a look. So, a lot of plastic in the way, things like that, but here's our oil pan right here. So, that's the drain bolt right there. And then there's my stock exhaust manifolds with my big fat cats. And then my MagnaFlow exhaust. Oof. Okay, she's doing good. Alright, so I'm gonna crack this bolt right here loose. Hopefully you guys can see that properly. And then we're gonna start draining it. She's a big oil pan, man. 8.3, I can't get over that. So I'm just gonna prop you guys up here. Alright, so it's a 15 millimeter.
Is this the Dutch Brothers that was already in the fridge, or is this another one?
This is another one.
Dumbass.
What?
The thing's the one that's there.
Open it up. There's nothing there.
No, it's in the fridge in the house.
I still have some?
Yeah.
What? Damn it. I didn't know about that. I forgot about that. I'll drink it. Oh, she's on there.
There's all kinds of cardboard over underneath your other, you know, to make sure you don't make a mess on the...
All right, so we got it loose. Oh, there it goes already. Well, this turned into a mess real quick because whoever the fuck put this on prior to me, thank you Ford, literally impacted this thing probably on. So hopefully it's not destroyed. All right, here it comes. This oil is super warm. There we go. Alright, so we're gonna let that drain real quick. Fill up that drain pan. Yeah, we got the very, very tight oil drain bolt off. So now time to, oh god, can you imagine the filter? Oh, I'm gonna track that down. I'll be a pain in the ass. I'll be right back. All right, so oil's pretty much done draining. As you can see, it's doing its little, it's a little drip drip. It's almost done. So we took the oil drain plug out, and these are a little bit different than normal oil drain plugs. They have a built-in gasket into the actual bolt, as well as a magnetic top. So I checked, there was no metal shavings, which is a good thing. The bolt, and well, actually the gasket looks like it's in really good quality. So, I mean, I know you're supposed to change it all, but this one's like built in, so it's like you would have to go get a new one. Hold on, let me actually see if I can take this out. Oh yeah, it does come out. But this one's in really good condition. There's no cracks or nothing like that. I mean, you've seen, if you've done an oil change and you've seen the gaskets that sometimes come out of there, yeah, I'm just gonna reuse this one. I don't put a lot of miles on this car because I'm not in Arizona right now. So this will be just fine. So when that gets done, actually I'm gonna start taking the panel off. And so we have this skid panel here that protects, where is it? Wait a minute. Wait. Huh. Okay, so I do have it. That's weird. So in the very first generation of the 2015 Coyote, they didn't have this. It was more of like just a singular panel where you would have to take this off. But I guess mine being a later model, it has this little flap right here, which allows you to gain access to the oil filter right behind here. It's got this like little groove right here, so I don't have to take any of this off. I just have to take this 7mm bolt off. So we're gonna go right here. Sorry, wrong way. Alright, so I'll take that bolt, just put it off to the side, and then yoink. Look at that. It's like a little trap door. Like, yeah, and there's my oil filter right there. So I'm gonna put the drain bolt right back in there because I know when I take this off, oil is probably gonna come out everywhere. So, drain bolt. Nice snug fit. I'm gonna see if I can get the oil filter off by hand. Yeah, if not, I got a wrench over there. Come on. All right, so we got it off, or we got it loose, I should say, not off. Yep, there's the. I'm gonna let that drain for a second. My hand's covered in oil again. Great, already making a mess. Awesome! This thing is really on there. Okay. Oh, we're gonna let that do a little drip. We're gonna go grab the new stuff and then we're gonna put the filter on after I clean up my hands. So the oil doesn't look too bad. I mean, it's not completely black, but it's just. All right, so got the oil filter off. It's done draining. We're gonna clean up the area, but we're gonna go grab the new oil and the new filter. This is a Motorcraft filter. This is Ford's filter, so we're gonna put that in there. That should be good enough. And of course I spilled some. I'm gonna get it right around the seal. People use olive oil. I've always used potato oil. Alright, so I buttoned up everything down below. I'm just letting that oil filter drain, so all the old oil. Here's all the new oil. And I'm gonna prop you guys up because I know I can't do this one-handed. Alright, so there's 5. So we need 3.3 more. Alright, so the level is a little bit below the half mark. So I'm gonna drop this thing down on a flat surface, run it, cycle the oil, see where it's at, add a little bit more, and then it's probably good. So I'm gonna get this out of here, I'm gonna get this out of here. You guys out of there. All right, I'll be right back after I clean up all this and we'll figure that out. Alright, let's see where we are at. It'll probably need a little more. Yep, we're definitely low. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's right. Alright, so we cleaned up the garage. We got all the dirty oil packed away. I'm gonna go take care of that. Check the oil level numerous times. Everything is running good. We also reset the oil. Life reset. So we're gonna go here. Nope, still performance. We're gonna go down to settings. And then we go to vehicle and then oil life reset. And there it is. Percent of oil life, 100%. So pretty much you just go into there, your settings, your vehicle, and then you just hold OK, and then it resets it. Boom, it's done. So oil life's reset, still at 100%. We're still good to go. We're gonna do some dumb shit with the track ad. Nope, there it is. We keep that nice little gauge up. I do have to go to the dealership to figure out what the tire tread life thing is, but I mean that's okay. I can do that tomorrow or something like that. But let me moves more freely now. I promise you, if you own this car and have that little gauge, you'll notice it, and it's just a lot healthier. So I'm gonna go take care of that, and stay tuned because we're not done with either of these cars yet, because still gotta take care of that one, still have to do a photo shoot with both of these, and we're gonna need some help. All right, take it easy guys.